Hello, welcome back to my channel. I am so excited to be filming and happy to be filming. Last week I took a break because I had a final to do, but that class is over now, so I'm pretty happy about it. And today I'm going to show you guys how I get my beachy hair look that lasts me like 3 days, and it's really easy to do. I only use like 4 or 5 products when I'm doing it, and they're all pretty affordable, so I'm excited to show you. Also, I got this new set in, and I feel like before we start, I have to show you. So my camera's on a tripod. You can probably see because there's so many mirrors in this bathroom. Okay, hold on. Look how cute it is. It's a short set and a tie-dye crew neck, and it's super cute. I got it from Shop Mia NYC. So adorable. They're handmade and they're really comfy. Let's get to this hair tutorial. As you can see, my hair is still pretty wet, but it's also dried for the most part. This is how you want your hair when you are going to be blow drying it with the Revlon blow dryer. I love this one. She's on Amazon. This is the product that definitely helps me get the most volume in my hair. So if you are looking for some volume in your life, this is where it's at. I'm gonna have a blog post that has all of the links to everything in the description. So if you're looking for anything, that's where it's at. Before I even start blow drying, I'm going to go in with this All Eyes on Me 10-in-1 Perfector by Not Your Mother's. I love this because it's a heat protector and I just spray it all over the place. I don't want any heat damage. That's why I actually cut my hair shorter. My ends were so damaged that I was just like, I've got to start over. And I know this video I'm going to be using a lot of heat, but gotta do what you gotta do. I'm gonna take a few of these purple clips and start sectioning off my hair. I like starting off by clipping this mohawk section of my hair because that is the part where you're going to want most of the volume. So I'm just gonna start doing that. Need 2 more clips just for these sides right here so we can create another layer, but these don't have to be sectioned off as well as the ones on the top. Once you've got this funky look going on, you're ready to start blow drying. Before I start, I'm just going to show you the motion that you want to be doing. So you want to take smaller pieces, so maybe just this piece, and you're going to go like this and curl in. This is what my hair looks like after a quick little blow dry, and now we're going to get curling. So I use the 1-inch Conair clamp curler, and it also detaches right here so it becomes just a wand, but I never use the wand because I always burn myself. Like, without a doubt, I will always burn myself. So we're using the clamp today. Now we're going to section our hair for the curling. One thing I have to say that differs between short hair people and long hair people is that long hair people can do more layers. When I had longer hair, I would do 4 layers. So I would start like one right here, then another one right here, then a third one, and then this would be my final layer. And the reason why long hair people can do that is because they have more hair, so it looks like more volume. But short hair people, please listen to me. I learned my lesson the hard way. Don't do that many layers. I'm only doing 2 layers on my hair. If you do more than that, then it just puffs at the bottom, and instead of having volume, it's just like, it just, I mean, if you can pull it off, you can pull it off, but it's a no for me. So I'm just gonna be separating my hair into a small first layer, and the top layer is definitely going to have some more hair. And I'm just gonna use a alligator clip and clip it up like this. The curler is ready to go, and I am too. And one thing we're gonna do is the bottom layer is gonna be curled all in the same direction because I'm only gonna be curling 2 pieces on each side of the bottom layer, but the top layer we're gonna mix and match, so I'll explain that when I get there. You're going to take a small piece like this. You're gonna take your curler, clamp down, and curl around, but leave, you see how I have about, I wanna say an inch out of the hair, so you're gonna curl like that, but this is the trick. So you're going to unravel and pull, and then you're gonna ravel up again, unravel and pull, and then just straighten that last piece. You can either straighten the last piece like that, or before you curl the entire piece of hair, you can just run the curler through your hair like that to straighten it. So we're gonna do it again, and we're gonna clamp down, leave a little bit out, curl it up again, unravel, ravel it back up, curl it out, or pull it out, and straighten. And it's going to look a little bit like Little Bo Peep until we run our fingers through it, so bear with me until the very end. I promise it's gonna look good. On this side, it's gonna be the same thing, except the curler is going to be going in the other direction. So we're going to straighten up the piece, then clamp down, leave a little bit out, curl it up, unravel, ravel it back up, unravel. And the point of these is to make it messy and beachy, so don't focus too much on the technique. Just make sure that you leave a piece of hair out and then you're unraveling the pieces out, and it'll look good. If you feel like a piece came out too curly, just pull it down. Now we are on to the next layer, and we're gonna start from the back going forward, and we're gonna curl in different directions. So this one is the same regular direction that we were doing on the other layer, but we're going to curl up, leave a little piece out, ravel it up, unravel, curl it again. If pieces fall out, that's fine. Remember, it's supposed to look messy. Unravel, wow, this is a really messy one. Ravel it back up, and straighten. This piece we're taking in the other direction, curling towards the face. This adds more volume and makes it look more natural and messy. So clamp, then curl towards the face, still leave that little bit of hair out, ravel it up, unravel, ravel it back up again, unravel, and then just pull it straight. Pieces that frame your face, you always want to curl away from the face, so the front 2 pieces I'm going to be curling away. So one side is done, and you're gonna leave it there. Don't run your fingers through it until the end. We're just going to be doing the same exact thing on this side, so here we go. Now that we are done with both sides and looking like Little Bo Peep with ringlet curls, this is what we're gonna do. We're gonna wait for them to cool, which these have pretty much cooled already, and then we're gonna run our fingers through them and we're gonna shake our heads up and down, get that volume going in there. So just like this. See how much better that looks? And you can start from the top and separate more towards the bottom. See how much better this side looks than this side? Now I'm going to flip my head upside down. So here we go. There's the volume, but we are not done yet. So we're going to take my Unite Texturiza spray and we're going to go in to the roots and then go like that. I love this spray, it's like magic. You can never go wrong with too much texture spray either. I also think texture spray, especially if you have fine hair like mine, is really important to build volume and texture and just to like enhance your everyday hair look. Like even if I wear straight hair, I'll still use texture spray to make my hair look like there's a little bit more than there actually is. So if you want, you can flip your hair over again and you really just want to make it messy and rub in those areas that were just hit with texture spray. Now we're going to go in with the Verb texture spray, which is a liquid spray. Well, this is more of like an aerosol. So this you're just gonna spray on the ends to make it a little bit piecier. That's what my hairdresser told me and I'm just like, okay, that's what I'll do. So you just pull apart the pieces and this makes it look like you've just been at the beach. I don't know if the difference will come up on camera, but it definitely comes up in the mirror at home. This is great for the second day or the third day if your hair holds that long. If it doesn't look as curly anymore, if you go back through with this and then twirl your hair around your finger, it creates these curls again. This last product is the product that I am most excited to share with you. It's this finishing hair cream that I got off of Amazon, and I know it looks like mascara. Like it's almost a mascara applicator, and what you do is just take down your frizz up top. And it takes down the frizz without getting rid of your volume, which I'm just so happy with. If you're in Florida, this humidity is making your hair frizzy, you need this. It's so good. It does make your hair a little bit stiff, but it just makes that single hair a little stiff. So it's not like hairspray where it's like the whole top of your head is just a rock now. And I think it was only $6, so major steal, 10 out of 10 would recommend. But this is really the look. That's all it is. This is the finished look. I hope that you guys like it. If you try it out, please tag me. I'd love to see how your hair turns out. For me, the second day hair usually looks better than this first day hair, but I still like it. I still vibe with it. Thank you for watching this. Please subscribe for more videos. I am so excited and I'm planning on doing a giveaway once I get to 100 subscribers, and that's not too far away. So subscribe it up, hit that little bell icon. It'll notify you every time I post a video. Remember that all of the links are in the description down there, and I will catch you next week. Thanks again for watching. Bye.